Play, Talk, and Grow. Maybe you're here because you're worried about your child's speech. They aren't talking yet, or they only have a few words. Or maybe you've just started speech therapy and you want to know more about what to do at home. Well, I'm here to help. Play, Talk, and Grow is designed with parents in mind. You're leading busy, important lives and raising tiny humans. That's hard work. I have 2 young daughters myself, and I know how crazy life can get. Add to that you're worried about your child's speech, and it can be overwhelming. So I want to make it easy. In just 20 minutes a day, you can play with your child and work on speech. Any parent can do that. I believe that play and language development go together. It's our industry standard to work on speech and language skills through play with young children. 1, it's really fun. 2, we can teach parents how to play and work on these skills at home. And 3, the kids don't even know that they're learning. If you want to know more about the research and developmental norms, check out the approach page on my website. As for me, I'm a speech therapist. I get to play and teach children how to talk for a living. From my decades of experience, I've developed some of the best strategies to encourage communication in young children. I have handpicked the best toys that are motivating and encouraging for them. These toys are premium, high quality, non-toxic, and recyclable. Do you have a budding musician? There's a guitar. Do you have a little chef? There are food sets. Or do you have a lover of trains? There are train sets. For every toy, there are video tutorials that will guide you through how to play with those specific toys and work on speech skills. I ultimately want parents to feel empowered to play with their children and have the skills to target speech at home. If you have additional concerns about your child's speech and language development, please contact a speech therapist. I offer phone and video consultations on my website. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Play with your child, engage, and have fun.